Good morning, everybody. So for today's kid vid, we're gonna do some salt painting. And it's really neat, and I'll just show you everything that you need. You're gonna need some white glue. You're gonna need a cup or a bowl of salt. You're gonna need a paintbrush. You're gonna need some food coloring and some cups of water. So the first thing you're gonna do is you're gonna add your food coloring to your water. All right, so once you've colored your water, you're just gonna draw whatever you want on paper. I'm just gonna use a glass to draw some circles. Okay, so I'm all finished drawing my circles, and the next step is we're gonna use the glue. So with the glue, you're just gonna want to trace over your shapes or your words, your pictures, and just go around them with the glue. You want to leave kind of a thick layer of it. All right, there you go. So next, you're gonna want to take your salt and just sprinkle it all over. And you're gonna need quite a bit, so don't be shy with it. Okay, great. So next is the fun part. You're going to pick your first color, and you're just going to drop the water onto the salt. All right, we're all done now, guys. I hope you had fun and enjoyed the video.